Hello everybody, this is Jeff at Etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this TecNiq white aluminum SteelHead LED flood beam work light. It has a 1900 lumen output. Now this is a nice rectangular LED work light, provides a nice bright white light for industrial, agricultural, and even recreational applications. It does give off a flood beam, which will illuminate a nice wide area, so it is great for work trucks, utility vehicles, and fishing boats. It does use a nice clear lens over 6 white LEDs, and the LEDs they use are premium LEDs, which are energy efficient, long-lasting, and vibration resistant. They are rated for up to 50,000 hours of operation. Now at the end of this video, I am going to hook this up to some 12-volt power to show how bright the light is. But first I want to go over some features on it. It does use a military-grade construction of the circuit board. It uses urethane potting, which offers better protection than common epoxy potting. It does use thermal regulation to protect against overheating. And if you can see, it's a nice durable white powder coat aluminum housing to resist corrosion. And it uses a sealed waterproof housing and lens unit. It is a very easy installation. You can see it's a single bolt pedestal style bracket using stainless steel hardware for installation. And as you can notice, it is an adjustable bracket. So basically when you install this, it'll let you adjust the angle of the light as needed, and then you can tighten it down. It does hardwire to your application. You can see the 2-wire pigtail right here. It has a power and a ground wire. The wire length is about 9 inches. This is compatible with 12-volt and 24-volt DC systems. Give you a few dimensions on this. The overall length, one end to the other, is right at 6 3/16 inches long. The overall height, and we are going to include the mounting bracket. So from the mounting bracket to the top of the light, it's going to be right about 3 inches tall. And then the total depth from the front to the very back, it's going to be right at 2 inches deep. The light output is 1900 lumens. The power draw at 12 volts is 1.2 amps, and at 24 volts is 0.6 amps. So what we're going to do is go ahead and hook this up to some power. And we'll turn off the overhead lights just to give you an idea. Now that we got it hooked up, turn on the power. And with the power on, you can see how bright the light is. As I mentioned, we'll turn off the overhead lights. And you can see with the lights off how it's a wide flood beam. Very bright 6 LED light. What I am going to do is zoom out so you can see at a distance how much it lights up the area. Put it up on the back wall there. We'll go ahead and turn back on our overhead lights. And we'll go ahead and turn off our power. But that should do it for the review on this TecNiq white aluminum SteelHead LED flood beam work light with the 1900 lumen output.